Guwahati hosts Fourth NEDA Conclave. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assures Citizenship Amendment Bill won't affect rights of Northeast people. Federation of Government College Teachers Association gives ultimatum to the state government to implement 7th pay scale latest by September 23rd. Combined team of Moray Commando and 12 Assam Rifles could Enkabi pose arrest 2 juveniles with contraband WY tablets. And Meitei community performs Haiku Hidongba ceremony with religious fervor and gaiety. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham with the top stories in details. The fourth conclave of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, NEDA, a constituent of the ruling NDA, was held in Guwahati today. BJP President and Union Home Minister Amit Shah took part in the conclave along with Chief Ministers of Northeast states. Speaking at the conclave, Union Home Minister Amit Shah made it clear that the Citizenship Amendment Bill would not affect the rights of the indigenous people of the Northeast. Amit Shah said that 3 Chief Ministers of the Northeast has raised the Citizenship Amendment Bill issue today with apprehensions that the proposed legislation may curtail the rights of the indigenous people. The bill has the provision of giving citizenship to minorities from neighboring countries, including Bangladesh. The Home Minister reiterated that the centre would not touch Article 371 of the Constitution that ensures certain special provisions for the Northeast states. He also assured that the centre intends to expel all the illegal immigrants, not just from Assam, but the entire country. Amit Shah said that effective steps will be taken to prevent human trafficking as well as smuggling of arms and drugs in border areas of the Northeast. He stressed that all Northeast states should come together to jointly promote tourism in the region. The BJP president also accused successive Congress governments of having alienated the region from the rest of the country.
आर्टिकल 370 टेम्पररी प्रोविजन था और 371 स्पेशल प्रोविजन है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट का अधिकार है, इसको कोई छूने वाला। सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल भी 371 को सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल से भी हर्ट नहीं होगा, इसकी चिंता भारत सरकार निश्चित रूप से करेगी। और जब हम सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल लाएंगे तो अभी आपके जो कानून बने हैं, आपकी जनजातीय और सांस्कृतिक पहचान को सुरक्षित करने के लिए वो सारे कानून जस के तस रहेंगे। वो आपका अधिकार है, उसमें कोई बदलाव भारत सरकार करना।
President of Federation of Government College Teachers Association, Fegokta Dr. A. Pishak has warned that government teachers will launch intense agitations including mass casual leave from September 24th if the state government fail to put into actions its assurance to give them 7 pay scale latest by September 23rd. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Dr. A. Pishak strongly condemned that state government's order issued on July 11 excluded teachers of state government colleges and universities from getting the benefits of 7th pay scale. He lamented that government has failed to pay heed to the repeated pleas for the same.
Manipur ki employee singchida 6 pay si pireba matung tha tara umdoi chontaraga college ki oja sing asi 6 pay haiba masi implement tawi pi aduda masida yomna controversial oriba aikoi gi hak achoba ma hatpi kiba mat kiba haibide special compensatory allowance haibamaga traveling allowance haibamaga lupa lising omga chama taba hairiba senbam ase hoki bachahi mapul asi Manipur government na aikoi da pbde college ge oja sing asina karigumba strike tawba matamda shoibasi aikoi gi chhatra sing sineba
A combined team of More Commando led by SIS Lolindro and personnel of 12 Assam Rifles, Khudeng Thabi Post has arrested 2 juveniles from More Ward No. 7, Chawang Phai Wang, with illegal possession of 16,441 WY tablets and 1 Burma-made Canbo bike. The team arrested them during a frisking operation at Khudeng Thabi check post at around 3:20 p.m. yesterday. They were handed over to More police station for further interrogation. Secretary General of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, Sital Oinam, declared that Desam will extend full solidarity to all the initiatives taken by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee for inclusion of Meitei or Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media at the temporary office of Desam, opened in Kwakaithel Junior High School today, Sital stressed the need for the inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list. He expressed apprehension that the indigenous people of the state will be robbed of their own lands if it failed to be included in the Scheduled Tribe list. He maintained that the resolution was taken to preserve and safeguard our land, culture and religion. Sheetal urged the civil society organizations, club, Meira Paibis, associations, students of various schools and colleges of the state to extend their support.
Iramda Manipur Lebiriba, Meira Paibi, club organization Singnasu, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Manipur Sanctional Liba, Hongchang Asida, support Punatomina, Equigilam Damasida, Kundariba, Masing Yamjadraba, Purup Meitei Miteibu, Scheduled Tribe listed Salhanduna, Equigi. Lamdamasi, Aikogi Ngalo Piduna, India Constitution Ngalo Piduna, Aikogi Frup, Aikogi Jati Asi, Mutkidanaba, Aikogi Saksu, Mangidanaba, Aikogi Lining Laishon, Kogi Satnaramba, Lisa Chazat, Kogi Lajarmiba, Punamakasi, Nagna Tamanavidamak, Amatangairaba, Sukum Lambiasi, Pangana Honabata, Aiko Puna, Saruka Minaduna, Mipung Kudimangna, Miamna, Masiu Sapoto Viduna, Mateng Pangbiu.
President of Moirang Assembly Youth Congress Committee, Himam Uttam, has claimed misappropriation of funds earmarked for construction of roads under PWD Moirang. Speaking to media today, Uttam claimed that 46,71,113 rupees meant for construction of the road from Moirang Lamkai to Moirang Bridge, 9,20,852 rupees for repairing potholes on the road from Moirang Lamkai to Moirang Bazar, 19,39,849 rupees to mend Moirang Sendra Road, and 75,82,852 rupees to build Moirang Sendra Road were withdrawn by the relevant department without executing any satisfactory works. He urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Irate locals of Segmai Jain Mamang Leka in Kakching district have stormed Laishram Santosh residence, the accused who ran over Mayengbam Dhananjoy from the same locality. The mob tried to expel Santosh's family. Kakching district police team immediately rushed to the spot and controlled the situation. Last night at around 6, Impact News sources said that Mayengbam Dhananjoy, who was the driver of the Director of Rural Development in Panchayati Raj, was hit by a four-wheeler Bolero in front of his own residence on August 30th at around 9 p.m. Hyanglam Police Station investigated the incident and identified the culprit driver from CCTV footage as Laishram Santosh. He was then booked and sent to jail. Members of local clubs and women associations met against the incident at Segmai Jinmaya Laikai yesterday afternoon. They condemned that Santosh's family did not even approach the victim's family to console. Attendees formed a committee against the incident in the meeting. Committee members resolved to expel Santosh's family from the locality and march towards their residence. A police team led by the Hyanglam OC and SDPO Suknu rushed to the spot and controlled the mob. Police deployed a strategic location in Segmaijin, kept strict vigil till late night to avoid any untoward incidents.
तौरिबा थौदो से लाइट इतेन लै साइजे गाड़ी से समय तौरगा चुमना थरपदे फाल न खोजलगा लाइट इतेन माना तौरिसे पैसा पुगे न लामी पैसा पुगे न यादबगी माइ मोलोम दे लाइट इतेन तौरो हात मी हात पछे खुंजीदा खुलिकायदा थंबिरानो मारा पाबी कलप अखोइना ने मसाना खंगना चपीरो सिने अखोइना हजि हाजरुदिसे तौरिबा थौदो से लाइट इतेन लै
Volunteers of JAC against brutal murder of Haishna Langboy alias Dhanashyam carried out protest rally today demanding the authorities concerned to bug his killers at the earliest. They refuse to claim his body until his murderers are punished. It may be mentioned that two unknown miscreants shot 18-year-old Haishnam Langboy alias Dhanashyam, son of Budhi from Thanga Haishnam Laikai yesterday. JAC and Thanga Haishnam Laikai Pari Imom Kanbalup members carried out a protest rally towards Kaibul police station around 9 a.m. Police forces, including women police, intercepted the rally. Speaking to media, JAC Secretary in charge K. Indubala demanded the authorities concerned to conduct necessary inquiry upon 30-year-old Salam Bimson, son of Khoidong from Thanga Salam Laikai, who is the prime suspect of the incident. Proscribed group United National Liberation Front UNLF in a press release claimed responsibility of killing Haishnam Dhanashyam alias Langboy from Thanga Bishnupur district yesterday. The group asserted that Dhanashyam was shot dead as a punishment for his involvement in gang raping and trying to kill a 14-year-old girl in 2018. UNLF urged people of Thanga not to form any JAC and agitate without knowing the truth. Meanwhile, family members of late Haishnam Dhanashyam alias Langboy from Thanga Part 1, Haishnam Laikai under Kaibul Lamjau police station in Bishnupur district have refused to claim his body until his murderers are nabbed. People has formed a JAC against his death. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, human rights activist come deceased Dhanashyam alias Langboy's counsellor Meena Chothe refuted the rape allegation upon Dhanashyam. She claimed that some relatives of Dhanashyam's girlfriend showed them together, upon which she became reluctant to return home. Dhanashyam's girlfriend then suggested him to elope with her, but he refused and dropped her home. Meanwhile, the girlfriend's family started searching for her as it was late for her to return home. Meena further claimed that some family members of Dhanashyam were even held captive for a ransom of 10 lakh rupees by his girlfriend's family. She asserted that a hearing is underway at Bishnupur District Session Court regarding the incident, and the next hearing is on September 21st. Meena claimed that the girlfriend's family hired some goons to kill Dhanashyam alias Langboy as his innocence was becoming obvious in the ongoing trial. She asks why some members of the proscribed group shot Dhanashyam alias Langboy before his final verdict is out.
Poksho sebu kholai oina sizina biraga icha nupi pining dragadi mi bu poksho ek hekta pansalaga nupa macha mayam sebu mara leiba mi loima oihan basesu ekoina pamjadabagi Langboy gi case gi akoi miyambu bahap tabiu mana okhan yamna down oike maramdi nupi macha do maga nungsinariba mana kobiraga asigumba dok mangonda danatana imungda phauda mapa mamada harassment pibiba mayum makai thugai bi bagi damakta mana pen da phaukiba adubu ibungo nang taptho achumba wayel haibasi court na decide tawrakani hairaga mabu themaga thamakibani mase rape tawkhiba nate haibase court ki wayel amala ani khangbadagi mabu hingthat thappa makoi khunek tawraga hatpani haibase makoi da fully suspect lai kariguma lal holup ama oiramaba mabu karigi damak achum aral tibidana khutharambagi damak karamba lupno athuba matamda sengdokpiu.
People remember late Pravish Chanam on his second death anniversary today. Family members along with volunteers of People Action Committee Against Brutal Killing of Pravish Chanam at Greater Noida organized observance at Uripok Achom Laikai. Attendees paid floral tributes to his portrait and prayed for his soul to rest in peace. A discussion on the status of the matter participated by Chairperson of Human Rights Manipur Commission Khaidem Mani, Manil President Soram Tikendrajit, representatives of students and civil society organizations and Maira Paibi associations was also held at the event. 22-year-old Pravish Chanam from Uripok Achom Laikai went missing after he attended a musical concert at Indian Expo Center and Mart in Greater Noida, UP on September 8, 2017. His lifeless body was recovered on the roadside in Murga Market under Sector 20 police station the next day. Police cremated his body without informing his family on September 13th. A non-Manipuri was found dead on DM College of Commerce campus under Imphal Police Station, Imphal West District today. The deceased is identified as Jitin Das from Kamrup, Assam. A team of Imphal Police and Manipur Forensic Science came to spot and investigate the crime scene at around 3 p.m. Police registered a case and took the body to RIMS mortuary for further investigation. MSME Technology Center Imphal under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME Government of India, organized stakeholders workshop and presentation on government policies and initiatives at Hotel Classic Grand today. The event was a part of nationwide program on Technology Center System Program TCSP, sponsored by the World Bank, which aims to ascertain various challenges facing the stakeholders to make an action plan to boost their economy and to enlighten them on benefits of various government schemes. Principal Secretary of Textile, Government of Manipur P. Wi-Fi and experts on medicinal plants took part in the event.
India's gateway to Southeast Asia. Very soon the doors will be opening. This is high time for all of us to concentrate on the potentials we have, so that before the doors are open, we are prepared to face the outside world. We are prepared, we are built up, we are organized, so that when the windows and the doors open, we should be ready to trade with people, to show the best that we have, to deal with them with our strength, not with our weakness, or not to be caught unprepared. So this is a very, very important workshop. I would sincerely request all of you to take full advantage of this.
3-day Management Development Program for Board of Directors of Primary Agricultural Credit Cooperative Societies, PAGs, kicked off today. Institute of Cooperative Management organized the program under Soft Corp scheme of NABARD at its conference hall in Lamphil. President of Manipur State Cooperative Union, L. Tompishak, stressed on the need to know the government's undertakings following drought declaration in the state, stating that many willing societies are unable to help the farmers due to financial crunch. Tompishak urged stakeholders to strive together for an enhanced agricultural sector. Speaking on the occasion, ICM Director Dr. N. Ranjana stressed the need to strengthen PAGs so that it can help farmers. She asserted that societies were formed to assist the farmers. Dr. Ranjana stated that various topics necessary to reinforce the societies will be discussed during the program.
Society tauliba aikoi kangbu singsi puksel khojel tinana puksel manana ko hona milarba lainga te ko pressure piraba adu webe tarabati aikoi ngasi ge aikoi low shiu gi lamda samsin jeribe ko se potho puthona hona jeribe ko se aikoi manana ko punna hona milar taragati aikoi support ki lambisa kitang khana badi yagarane khali adu aikoi marwena ngasi snaw singden thamjani badi ena hajani badi sumna khakki ai longmi ni tobana taba thawai haksang yamna koi punna thawte do minara Indian mana terus tahu pelor, tuh mana pun terkait dengan si primary agriculture represent tu bela pilih libat, boh dari tersingce, bukan kojen tinan naik koi, longi koi sokat tabiati, longi koi hindi biati, longi koi potok potok ada, koi Manipur dah libat, people singce, perda singce, si naik koi potok potok si naik koi hindi beli harga si kau fupi dah.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on Haikru Hidongba ceremony. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Haikru Hidongba ceremony was held with religious fervor and gaiety today. Sri Sri Bijoy Govinda Sevayat Committee organized the event at Thangabad in Sagolban. Bijoy Govinda. The socio-religious ceremony is held every year on the 11th day of Langban in Manipuri lunar calendar since the reign of King Iringba in 1984 AD. The ceremony commenced with the arrival of Sri Sri Bijoy Govindaji idol from Manipur Royal Palace in Thangabad following customary rites and rituals. Later, participants portraying as Tengmai Lepa, Hiano Saba, Chang Saba, Naurungba and Naumang Saba carried out the traditional boat race. Hiyang Tanaba in 2 groups. MLA Sagolban, RK Imo and many eminent persons graced the occasion.
This is the 241st edition of Haiku Hidongba, which normally happens on the 11th day of our local Maitai calendar, the Langban the month. Normally it happens in the month of September. So a day for peace amongst all, for prosperity in the neighborhood, in the locality and in the whole state. This was the basic aim with which our great forefathers, the great Anantasai, who started off this tradition in this local, the very famous Thangapat, as we know, Bijoy Govinda Thangapat.
Ima Imoinu Thogal Thosil Kanglup Kangleipak Itik organized the 7th traditional boat race known as Hiyang Tanaba, held as a part of Haiku Hidongba ceremony at Lamlai Salampat today. Bishnupur MLA Govindas Konthocham, chairperson of Lamlai Municipal Council, RK Mimi, advisor of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee, Achoybam Deben, Kangabok MLA Suraj Kumar Okram and Tongju constituency social worker S.H. Presorjit graced the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Govinda stressed the need to acknowledge and preserve the rich culture and traditions left by the forefathers. 18 teams competed in the boat race.
Ina kuppa yung lerami haibasi ngasigi generation na khangmada wara doba mataw adugumna aikoi gi nat ki oiba masana kaya ipa ipu singna thambiramba lengdaba lam kaya singa se masi ngakna thamlabada aikoi gi phurup ama lerami haibase tungda horukliba generation kaya na khangba ngangmadori bani aikoi gi nat aikoi gi culture aikoi gi tradition ipa ipu singda chanaramliba se kwaidigi hena chawba lamnamani haidun lawre haraga phurup asibu hinglami haiba phurup asi lairami amasung phurup asi makha taba generation kaya da lengdana laihigani haibagi achepa thajaba haibabu aikoi gi nat asi ngakna thamba sini.
Titular King Lesemba Sanajauba flagged off Mami Thawan Foundation's Awa expedition titled Lipun Wari from the sacred Kangla shrine today. Altogether, 54 people from the film fraternity, including 10 women, are participating in the 9-day expedition. Speaking on the occasion, Titular King Lesemba Sanajauba asserted that the tour will enhance ties between Maitais in Manipur and the Awa Maitais. He bid them safe journey and sent greetings for the Awa Maitais. Organizer of the expedition, renowned Manipuri films director Romi Maitai, who is also the chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, stated that the expedition team will showcase various Manipuri cultural shows in Myanmar. He mentioned that 2 exhibition football matches will also be played in Mandalay and Saigang region. Renowned singer and actor Sadananda Tontoi, Denny, Sori Soma and Manka are in the team.
Chaliba aikoigi team asi khongchad asi yamna aikoigi good mission haibatare aikoigi haugraba aikoigi hana leiba ani gi marakta leidarakpa adu hauji hauji somu aikoigi act is policy na singba lakpa sida kharaga hena hana gi mari du degi hena chesanba nungsinaba urangnaba adugumba khongchadamani
masigi maroiba pandamdi Manipur gi nungsiraba khoigi paujel masi Myanmar da khundariba maitai khoigi chilnau sing punamakta khoigi message pirubani ada khoigi cultural program sing football match ani masu sanajagani ada khundariba khoigi maitai chilnau sing unaduna wanungai wari sarugani Mandlar Thire Stadium da khoigi Mami Thawan 11 ga Mandle gi art and drama culture association gi team ga sanagani duga Yum halapagi lambida Sagaingi Chief Minister 11 ga Mami Thawan ga musanagani.
R&B Art House organized the first Manipur Art Fest 2019 on the occasion of its first Foundation Day at Lamyan Bashanglan today. Fine Arts Department of Manipur Art College, Manipur University, art lovers and various art associations are taking part in the fest that will continue till September 11th. Lalit Kala Academy New Delhi awardee Thoiding Jamtombi, Sana Leikham Sanglakpa of Manipur Pandit Loshang Khangembam Mangi, and music composer cum director Ngangom Ibo Bishak attended the event.
Impala Hudomaga, Mumbai, the Muktore, Adul Florida, USA Tore. Matang Satar, when art key, Karsataka Marks, the art promotion. Nasi Maki programs is art promotion. Art say, my who on the year goes like Sarah, like the music shooting item Tore, importance, Kada the Kanata, you know, the way the Haba public that you real come the Tower lawyer, Satpa. Sigi pots, a point assume Basimu Ucharagadi, she the public as Luina Zaba at the same time, see Mams Ubiraga, Tungyang, and oh, Sumam Toya Bore Kalaga Moiga pull up to hide more than May Chubogum.
Manipur Cultural Ashram MCA held its 10th Foundation Day celebration at Gopinath Ji Mandap in Wangkayangpali Road today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portraits of renowned late teachers of Natta Sankirtan in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Padma Shri S. Thanil urged the public to uphold and preserve the unique Natta Sankirtan culture. Pungcholom and Nupapala Saishak named Tal Khalasang were performed on the occasion.
Bharat Sarkar na kadala Sankirtan je akoy gi recommend to bani asumba masak khagwa matam dila akoy machen amaga mani heli mani adudi ai po ma aduni na akoy machi yamna fotna akoy gi hanthana khallega akoy Sankirtan ji woi thoi do ba to pasi machi nuaite yu koram sora ma sonu matamda paisa thabaga ta ma Sankirtan hai ba pochidi akoy kaino bhakti prem neba aina hajening bade Sankirtan ji amu an bhajan ji hai ba tarboti paisa thaba akoy Sankirtan ne paisa thaba ji khar le putane.
Writers Forum Imphal and Manipur State Kala Academy jointly observed 32nd Foundation Day of Writers Forum Manipur at the conference hall of Manipur Hindi Parishad in Imphal today. Books written by writers of the forum and a quarterly journal titled Sahitya Pao were released on the occasion. Poetry recitation and written quiz competition were also held and winners were felicitated in the event. The books which were released today are Sana Kokchao and Bhut Ningthau written by R.K. Bhubon Sana, Praloigi Mairi Lakta written by R.K. Madhubir, a novel titled Handokpa Sarokol written by B.S. Raskumar, and a short story book Network Phangtaba written by Haubam Priyokumar. Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy L. Kishore Jid, senior founder members of Writers Forum Imphal Aribam Kumar, and president of Writers Forum Imphal Kasham Priyokumar attended the event. All Community Development Organization More Akodom received its new executive members today. ASP Technopal, K. Robinson, leaders and members of various organizations attended the event held at Akodom office in More town. Former president of the organization, R.K. Sanayam, handed over his presidential post to a newly elected president, T.H. Buddha. Co-convener of Lamyan Irabot Ning Singh Thoram Observation Committee, Lingtok S. Ratan Kumar, has announced the dates for annual Lamyan Bahizm Irabot Memorial Observance. Speaking to media at the Office of Protection and Preservation Committee, Manipur PPCM in Wahengbam Laikai today, Ratan Kumar stated that Lingtok, a joint group of PPCM, Irabot Foundation Manipur and All Manipur Farmer Association, has been organizing Irabot memorial events since many years ago. He stated that floral tribute paying ceremony will be held at Manaching of Kaibi on September 21st. Memorial events will also be held in various schools on September 26th, and the main event will be held at Siko Club Ground in Yai School on September 30th. Urging people to participate in the memorial events, Ratan Kumar appealed not to call any band or blockade on the days mentioned.
Hairiba date 21 amadi 26 and 30 Hairiba numit asida Manipur da lairiba khwai punamangna akhoi lamyanba Irabot observation ki thorum asida punna saruk yaminasi loina na Hairiba lamyanba Irabot ki pangthokadoriba date sing asida Manipur da lairiba civil society organization punamangna numit asida akhoi kai haiba tare matam ki lakpa isu kaya oiba taragasu plan proket ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ.
Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC begin 3-day students induction program at the multi-purpose hall of Escola Women College in Nambol today. Experts will stress on various challenges facing women in pursuing higher studies during the program. Mau Imphal Coordination Committee urged the government to build a proper permanent Mau market shade at a suitable area at the earliest. Speaking to media at the Community Hall of Social Reformers Club Kurai today, Chairman of the committee, Besi Fozde, stated that the Mau vendors are facing plights as sales rate is low at the current market shade in Lamphal supermarket, as it is not a suitable site. He appealed to members of local clubs, women associations and people to cooperate in holding Mau market sale in various parts of Imphal city. Besi also appealed not to harass Mau vendors on their way to Imphal.
Maudagina, Sitana Lakadoisi, Mau proper Maudagi kilometer, Trauma kun, Manu Hussel Leva, Aduga transportation zu, Masana Putopa, Aduga, Yamdravada, Maudagi Sea or Pazilu Palace Mangataruki, Kugi, Barat or Porokuna, Poroko, Namaramoidana, Asagi Posi, Maman Wanning Masamoy. Hariba, Kugi, Lamu Gadian Saribum Pumze, Masi Singmi Singi, Kuigi, Kainokara, Kakadavini, Haibama, Akan instruction on P, Masia Koi, Masi Kadabu Yona, Koi Tabakto. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯂꯣꯡ ꯈꯩꯗꯦꯟ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡ
Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District organized one-day awareness program on medical emergency measures at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today. Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District, Dr. Koijam Arun Kanta and his team trained the escort team of the Chief Minister and PSO on how to give first aids and cardiovascular resurrection CPR. Cyclist G. Ingobi Chongtham set off for Myanmar today to spread the message of world is one family, Dima Market, Act is policy and Beti Bachao, Beti Parao. Ingobi reached More on September 6th after cycling in all the districts of Manipur for one whole month. Mitai Council More accorded a warm welcome to Ingobi and 12 Assam Rifle checkpost in Kodengkabi before reaching More. He stayed for 3 days in More. A team led by President of Mitai Council More, M. Thoiba, accompanied G. Ingobe till Myanmar immigration gate. Sagolban Sayang Kurau Makong United Club has felicitated Laisemba Yengkom Kijit Daikom and Ketrimayum Lan Mangang, who have bagged gold medals in the 5th International Thangta Championship 2019 and World Martial Arts Festival held at Jingju City in Republic of Korea from August 30 till September 6. The felicitation program was held at the club's ground in Sagolban, Sayang Kurau Makong today. Altogether, 14 players from the state took part in the championship held under the aegis of World Thangta Federation and World Martial Arts Union. India bagged 14 gold and 4 silver medals to bag the championship title. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Guwahati hosts 4th NEDA conclave. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assures Citizenship Amendment Bill won't affect rights of Northeast people. Federation of Government College Teachers Association gives ultimatum to the state government to implement 7th pay scale latest by September 23rd. Combined team of More Commando and 12 Assam Rifles Kodengkabi post arrest 2 juveniles with contraband WY tablets. And Meitei community performs Haiku Hidongba ceremony with religious fervor and gaiety.